Hi everyone, welcome to Jordan's Down Home Cooking channel. Everyone likes mac and cheese as kids. We all ate a lot of it. Now as adults, we're trying to eat a little healthier with the same amount of flavor. So today we're going to try carb-free mac and cheese. Today, step one is to cut a head of cauliflower into small florets. Then we will boil that for 5 minutes. This has been cooking for a few minutes, so we will give it a couple minutes, then finish up. So, step two, you are going to drain the cauliflower and return it to the pan. And add the salt and pepper and sour cream until thoroughly combined, and add the cheddar cheese and stir until melted. Then you're gonna top with parsley and enjoy. Then that's it for today's video. Guys, comment down below and please subscribe. Thanks and have a good day.